what we suggest, and actually in our product, Nulogy Smart Factory, you can set a planned rate, which is what you think the machine should do, given staffing and your historical information, just like you asked. And then you can also have an ideal rate, which is like the plate speed, the design speed of the asset that you're talking about. You can measure both. So like you can the operators and people on the floor can base everything off of the planned time, right? So that they're not trying to hit some unachievable target. They can base all their visuals and metrics and everything off of the planned target, but then like engineering and maintenance, or even maybe what you report back to the machine builder, can be based on the ideal. We actually, just to tell a story about that, we had a company that was in the marijuana business, and they had a machine that would do pre-rolled joints. And it's still weird to talk about this like on webinars and stuff. But anyway, the plate speed of this thing was like 30% higher than they could ever run it. And we actually added the ideal cycle time to the product to be able to track that, so they could go back to the machine vendor and be like, look, we can never ever hit this speed. You guys guaranteed us this. And so, it helped get the vendor back in there to improve the performance of that machine and fix a lot of the engineering issues associated with it. So I recommend setting a realistic planned target, something that people can hit, motivates them, feels good. You don't want it to show red all the time, but then behind the scenes, you can track the ideal you're trying to get to.